Hi, my name is Johnny Crearer from Swanston IT. I'm a subject matter expert in Microsoft applications with more than 10 years experience in IT training. More importantly, after all this time in IT coaching, I know what works and what doesn't work when it comes to getting the most out of your Office applications. So with that in mind, I'd like to offer you 10 quick screenshots on the most useful shortcuts in Microsoft Excel that I think you'll find very useful. All you need to do is to enter your details in the form below and you'll get a confirmation email in minutes. Don't worry, we won't send you any spam. You can opt out any time and we never share your details with anyone else. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the other side. The first screencast is using a keyboard command to highlight blocks of information. Highlighting in Excel is a very common task. Usually we'll use the mouse to highlight the area we want to work with by holding the left clicker of your mouse and then moving the mouse, and this highlights an area. The downside is that if there's a lot of data, using the mouse can become very cumbersome and a very manual process. However, Excel has a built-in feature which allows you to recognize what is known as the current region. The current region means cells that contain some form of data and that are adjacent to the position of the active cell. The active cell is this cell here, which is now the active cell. To identify the current region, place the active cell on a cell that contains text or numbers. Use the keyboard command Ctrl and A. That means press the Control button down and press the letter A once. And you can see from the screen that it highlights a block of data, stopping where there are blank columns and blank rows. So if I scroll down to the end of this block of data, you can see it stops automatically where there are blank rows and a blank column. If I press Ctrl A a second time, it will highlight the whole spreadsheet, so it actually has a dual purpose. If I go to sheet 1, you can see on a slightly smaller example, when I click into a block of data, press Ctrl and A, it highlights all cells that contain data that are adjacent to the active cell. Hopefully you found that tip very useful, and I'm quite sure that when you've given it a little bit of practice, you'll find that it will save you lots of time. Thanks very much.